I think we are planning to call the industry, steel industry people, or any industry where there are common problems and there can be common solutions. So we will sit with them, try to sort out their problems, what are their issues, and if the issues are collective, if the issues are same, then we will take up at our level, or wherever it is required, we'll take up the issue.
And how soon is this meeting going to happen, and what will be the agenda there?
No, one or two sectors will call during this month, and agenda will be, of course, what are their problems, what resolution they want from bank side, what resolution they think they require for their growth, because ultimately all the sectors have to perform if we want a good GDP growth, if we want good GDP numbers. So, and steel being a core sector, that needs a lot of attention, and we will discuss with them and see what solutions are required.
So will the prime lenders and the companies, they both would be brought together by IB on the same forum to look for some solutions, sir?
Yeah, this is what we are planning, that banks who have substantial exposure to steel sector, we will sit together, chalk out a strategy and see how do we resolve those issues.
At IBA level, have you had discussions with all the banks? Is there a plan in which the promoters can be asked to step down if the company has not been performing well? How difficult or easy has it been for banks to tackle these debt-laden steel companies in particular?
No, regarding stepping down or change of management, I don't think anything has happened so far. But with SDR in place, now things will start happening when the promoters default or they want to exit. So this is in a change of management is, of course, with the SDR may take place in times to come.
So we will see more SDRs in this sector because of the lack of other solutions, and especially when steel is not doing that well.
No, you don't put your words in my mouth. I said we'll sit with them, see what are the issues and try to sort out their problems. Whatever are the resolutions which are possible within the norms, rules, policies.
Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/ETNow and don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at ETNowLive. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/user/ETNow.